Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is an experience sharing video. We got all the information from our buyer. This time, the buyer is using our adapter for connecting the MSI display card with the DisplayPort output and to his LG HDTV. Let's see how he do the connections. This is a long 3-meter DisplayPort to HDMI cable, which allows direct connection between the DP and the HDMI. No adapter is involved. The buyer has an assembly PC which he has already connected to an HDTV, and right now he wants to connect to another extra HDTV. This photo is showing his MSI display card with a huge cooling system. This is the external view of the display card, which you see the DisplayPort is not yet connected, but the HDMI next to it has already been connected. This is the view after connecting the DP cable. This is the back side of the second HDTV which the buyer wants to connect. After the connection, it looks like this. This is the front view of the second HDTV, and now it's successfully synchronized. And the buyer commented this cable. He said, "It's a very nice cable for easily connecting a PC to another monitor or TV. When only one type of output, which is HDMI, is present, and the display card has HDMI and DP ports. It didn't have any issue duplicating my screen to my TV. The sound over the DisplayPort is also nice. I'm happy with it." If you have a laptop, you can consider this short adapter cable which supports 4K HDMI. And the other one is an active mode which supports ATI Eyefinity multi-screen display card. We need to thank you our buyer Brady for sharing the above information. We are wavertech.com, wavertec.com, and the item that the buyer is using is WA1112232-10F. Thank you very much for your watching.